Welcome to Funware. Our products, solutions, services, and data help brands engage, manage, and monetize their users. We create category-defining experiences, and we do it for the world's largest and most discerning mobile audiences. That's you. Our goal is to reach every connected device on Earth. Our market position is in the perfect intersection of multi-screen, cloud, and SaaS. We cover the entire mobile lifecycle, from strategizing to creating, launch, and finally engagement and monetization. We're used to building and maintaining applications. We run thousands, while Facebook runs just 5. We're excited to walk alongside you during your mobile journey. Whether you're new to mobile projects or you're a seasoned veteran, we are going to give you the guidance and tools to help you understand exactly what to expect during your development and ongoing partnership with Phunware. Your engagement begins with strategy and creation. As your project travels through the development roadmap, you'll be working with various departments here at Phunware. Don't worry, we'll be with you every step of the way. So let's get to know the friendly teams you'll be working with. First, there's the customer success team. They will be your partner throughout the entire relationship with Phunware. Your customer success manager will be ever present, making sure you get the maximum value from this experience. Next, you'll be assigned a dedicated program manager who will work with you from the beginning of your application's development until it goes live. The design team will be your user experience and visual design experts, guiding you through the process of turning features into well-thought-out, intuitive, and engaging user interactions across multiple platforms. As your application is built, you'll meet engineering, the insanely brilliant men and women who make your vision a reality. Then there's QA, who handle the testing of your mobile application using real-world usability test cases and best practices. Finally, you'll meet production support, a team dedicated to bringing you everything you need to get the most out of your application. Your entire experience will be built on Phunware products owned by our product team. They set global standards for amazing application user experiences. Now that we've met the teams, let's get started. It all begins with a kickoff meeting led by your Phunware Customer Success Manager. All our team leads will be there to make sure you have all the information you need. You'll want to make sure any and all individuals from your team who will play a role in the project efforts will be there. This could include admins, executive sponsors, adoption champions, and key decision makers. We'll introduce the roles and responsibilities of everyone involved and clarify the features of the application that we'll develop together. We'll define tools, communication channels, escalation procedures, and the methodology that will be used. This is the meeting where we'll also cover timeline, technical strategy, required inputs, and overall expectations to get everyone on the same page around how success will be defined. We want to make sure we clearly understand your short and long-term mobile goals, previous challenges, relevant business milestones, and key competitors. We'll share our expertise, and together we'll outline the appropriate mobile strategy for your business and users. After a stellar kickoff meeting, it's time to begin the design phase. To get us through this phase efficiently, there are just a few things we'll need from you. First, your product branding. This includes existing brand guidelines for logo treatments, as well as fonts and color values. Additionally, we'll need source files for your brand logo. It's also helpful to have any detail on your key target audience and user base. Second, your vision. It is important to hear you describe your vision for your product on mobile to ensure we are meeting expectations and aligning designs with that vision in mind, as well as with key audiences you are targeting. Third, timely and constructive review. Timely review, design questions, and approval from your key design stakeholders helps us stay on schedule and get back to working on the best possible product for you. Your program manager will be sure to communicate review approval timeframes so you'll have everything you need. To visualize the various parts of the application that need design, we'll work up what's called a flow map. This defines all key product architecture, concepts, and data, showing us at a glance how the application will be structured. Next, we'll start defining and designing the best user experience for your application. This is where we lay out every feature and make sure that every point of user interaction is simple, engaging, and effortless. Any transitions or animations are captured here to ensure delightful user interactions. It's not until after this step is complete that we move to visual design, which applies your branding, colors, and imagery on top of the UX that we defined with the wireframes. Coloring, type, and visual styling of every element is finalized, giving your application the last layer of polish and consistency. Once complete, our designers will review the build to make sure everything matches the design down to the very last pixel. One additional element to cover is unique designs for different operating systems. Not to worry though, Phunware leverages our deep industry expertise to guide you through this process. We'll recommend the ideal UX and UI for each operating system individually, while still ensuring your brand and product are a consistent experience across all devices. Now it's time for development, where we start the build process. We tackle this in 5 distinct phases. The first is practical development, which is the actual coding of your application. We'll keep you up to date by demonstrating progress and keep everything in check with QA testing. Next is the QA beta phase. Since all features are implemented here, a few bugs are to be expected, but that just means we're getting closer. The beta leads us eventually to the release candidate phase, signifying that all features are complete and there are no known critical issues. Then it's time to submit the application for download. Finally, there's the support and maintenance phase. Once your application has gone live, we monitor app usage and applicable analytics. Let's dive a little deeper into each one of these phases. To start developing, we'll need documentation for any relevant third-party APIs, SDKs, or functionality. This might include access to feeds, databases, environments, and any other project-specific information. When it comes to testing, Phunware's Quality Assurance, or QA team, has tested and launched hundreds of mobile applications on every major mobile platform. For your application, our QA lead will plan their test strategy and create a detailed test plan to ensure we are fully prepared prior to testing the first release. Through the execution of this test plan, we will perform rigorous exploratory testing to verify the full functionality and stability of features within the application. We get the QA team involved early in the design and development process so we can predict problem areas. All supported OS versions and device types across major carrier networks are manually tested to ensure full support on today's most popular devices and operating systems. The QA process starts with test prep and planning, then moves into initial sprint testing. After that, we shift into fully functional beta testing before release candidate testing, and finally, submission prep. Our goal before submitting is to ensure all builds are stable, submission ready, and pointed to production. Phase 4, application submission. This part's easy. We'll show you how to create your own developer accounts for the Apple Store and Google Play, and set up shared credentials with your program manager so the Phunware team can take care of the submission for you. Phunware believes in continuous application support and maintenance so your users keep having an incredible experience. We know that it's crucial to provide world-class support that complements our mobile services. We exceed expectations with fast relief for your application's high-impact issues, rapid response to support questions and requests, timely problem resolution, high-quality fixes with minimal risk, and of course, reliable communication and support. At this point, you will come full circle and back to working fully with your Customer Success Manager as your main point of contact. Phunware's Customer Success team is the final loop in your mobile application lifecycle development project. This team will help train you on our products, evaluate and learn from the data we collect, and help you adapt or create new strategies to ensure that your KPIs are being met. Customer Success will work with you to leverage your existing social and other marketing channels to build your mobile audience. Additionally, Phunware can help drive installs and audience growth through our audience building and monetization team. Once your application experience is complete and available to the world for install, our audience building and monetization team can work alongside your Customer Success Manager to look for ways to connect you to your audiences. They create the opportunities leveraging Phunware's very own monetization platform to get your application discovered, grow your user base, and monetize your app. As you build your user base, your Customer Success Manager can guide you through taking advantage of Phunware's marketing automation module to continuously re-engage your valuable app audience. Should you choose, Phunware can also help you monetize your app with paid media placements while maintaining a smooth, non-disruptive user experience. Funware is sitting on an unbelievable amount of data. Our platform touches 1 in 10 devices globally, which means we interact with over 700 million devices each month through the thousands of applications we have launched or powered in some way. All of this results in our ability to target users on a hyper-granular level for one-to-one interactions both indoors and out. You did it! That's the whole process, from the very first meeting to extraordinary customer success. You now have an incredible product that your customers will love and that offers you many new opportunities. Thank you so much for choosing Funware. We love seeing happy customers and enjoy every project that we get to work on. We're very glad you chose to make us a part of your business, and we can't wait to get started.